In this video, I'm going to teach you how to AirPlay on Chromecast. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. A Chromecast is an extremely convenient device that allows you to screen mirror any smartphone onto a TV. However, it doesn't have native AirPlay support. But don't worry, I'm going to show you an alternative that allows you to use AirPlay from an iOS device, so an iPhone or an iPad, so you can screen mirror using a Chromecast. So to do this, you will need an external application. Like I said before, because the Chromecast lacks native support for this, you will need an application like Ducast. This is just an example. It seems to be the most popular one. As you can see, it has 1.7 thousand ratings with almost 4 stars on the App Store, but you can find similar applications that have the exact same function. So look for Ducast or any other similar app and download it on your iPhone or iPad. It is extremely simple to use. Once you have Ducast downloaded, open it up, and the very first thing that you will see is the option to connect Ducast to a smart TV. And if you are nearby your Chromecast, it is going to appear on this list. So if you don't see it here, make sure that you set up the Chromecast properly. It must be connected to power and plugged into your TV. If it is, then as long as you are in close proximity, it will appear on the list of TVs available. If you can't find it, tap on this option here, or explore other options that they have. You can also try refreshing this page. Now, once you choose the Chromecast, you are good to go. You will see this message, stream to Chromecast, or the name of your TV if it is something different. And now you can choose to mirror your screen, so your iPhone's or iPad screen, choose between your photos so it opens your gallery, choose music or videos. So I recommend using your screen, and now you can open something like YouTube, Netflix, you can browse through apps, play games, whatever you want to do. It is simple and it works with any Chromecast. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality solutions to your problems. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.